So I'm going to attempt to make a belt buckle with this logo on it. It's going to be a wooden belt buckle. I got this piece, I believe this is mahogany, some dark walnut, and this maple came from a pallet that I found. So I don't know if I'm going to be successful with this, but I'm going to give it a shot anyway. The red in the background is going to be the mahogany. The maple is going to be the white of the hand. And I'm probably going to have a border around it with this walnut here. So the first step, cut this in half, glue the two pieces together so it's wide enough. Alright, while that's gluing on, I'm going to move on to this piece of maple here. I'm going to have to resaw this so it's thinner. Then I'm going to use this as a template and start cutting out the pieces of the hand. I'll be impressed with myself if I could get through this project without losing any of these pieces. Okay, so the hand's coming on okay. There were a few gaps that I had to fill in with some sawdust and glue, but I'm pretty happy with it. So what I gotta do now is this red piece that's in the middle of the palm. So I'm gonna have to take some of this wood and inlay it into this maple here. Alright, over on the bandsaw, I'm going to make this thinner, and I'm going to shape around the logo. So I cut this piece of walnut to this size, and this, I resawed it down so it's thin. My next step is I'm going to trace around this and carve out a hole that this will sit into, and then I'm going to shape it. Okay, so I thought about making my own hardware for this to work, but I found these belt buckles for leather from Tandy Leather to make a leather belt buckle, but I think it'll work just fine for wood. So I'm just going to take this and screw this on the back.